For Mercedes-Benz, Earth Day is not just a day. In 2016, Mercedes-Benz launched its EQ line of all-electric cars with the Generation EQ concept car. And by 2019, Mercedes-Benz had a specific goal to reduce their own carbon footprint. They succeeded. Since 2022, production of Mercedes-Benz vehicles and batteries at their own plants has been net carbon neutral. By 2030, they plan to cover more than 70% of energy demand in their production plants with renewable energy. And by 2039, they are committed to making all vehicles in their portfolio carbon neutral. In addition, not only is Mercedes-Benz dedicated to reducing emissions, but they have taken it one step further. Once a battery can no longer be used in a vehicle, Mercedes-Benz is creating energy storage systems where the used batteries can be connected to the grid. Beyond that, many of the battery materials can be reused or recycled. Interested in learning more about the Mercedes EQ lineup? Visit our website at feldmanimports.com. Happy Earth Day from Mercedes-Benz and Feldmann Imports.